True Jamaican Vibes Fire Read. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is your tour guide of Jamaica, Fire Read. Yeah man, so today I will take you on a tour from Malvern area to a place they call Ritchie Mountain. A lot of persons forget them place. You know, hear about it but never yet visit. So take a tour of Ritchie Mountain. Over in Ritchie Mountain, you can get a nice view over into different community, like the Burn Savannah community, Naxwood, go straight over into Black River. You see a nice view of the sea. So always remember, like, share and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican Vibes. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Read. So welcome back guys, welcome back to the channel.
In 150 meters, turn right.
Yeah man, so very close to the Malvern area. I take a tour over to the Retrieve side. Retrieve in St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, you know, so them place here. Retrieve, you know, it's where Mutty Perkins come from. Yeah man, Mutty Perkins. So enjoy the ride with true Jamaican vibes, you know. Fire Read. And always, if you're just stopping by to this channel, kindly subscribe and hit the like button and press the all icon. So as soon as I upload a video, you will be notified of our sweet, sweet Jamaica, land we love. If you make a right turn, that will take you all to Elgin district. Yes, some people don't know, so I want to get a nice view over Black River them side there. Now if you come them place here, yeah man, I tell you now, Jamaica nice so they can get a bird's eye view way over into Black River, St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, just take your time out to show the people them say a lot of places there in Jamaica, a lot of persons only hear about but don't get the chance to visit them places, you know. Yeah, man, I tell you, so them places are nice, cool, nice type of weather them, yeah. You know, up in the Malvern area, them side, the Monroe College, Southfield. It's a different type of climate, my people. As I told you before, St. Elizabeth is a very, very big parish. The Jamaica bread basket. Yeah man, so if you don't want to know the place, if you don't want to know Jamaica, just tune in to Fire Read channel, you know. True Jamaican vibes. So take a stop and give it a nice view. watching, guys. As you can see the view a while ago, nice view up in the Elgin area, close to Malvern and place there. So we want to see if we reach to a place where them call name Rechieve Mountain in St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, so when they are Rechieve Mountain, as I said before, get a nice view over into Black River, Mountainside, Arlington, all over in them places you can see from them side here, you know. The road can look a bit lonely, but still get a nice view of our sweet, sweet parish, St. Elizabeth. So I'm traveling in the direction of northwest in St. Elizabeth. Yeah, sometimes the road them can look a bit lonely, but don't watch the loneliness of the road. Just try if you know the road, because sometimes when we there Jamaica and realize a certain road kind of block and have to take a different route. Yeah man, so just try if you know Jamaica. Don't watch the loneliness of the place. Just know Jamaica, my people. Trust me, having some nice weather today. Very cool and nice in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. So the direction where I come from the Mountainside area. Mountainside is very close to Black River, Vineyard, Arlington, Round Hill, Burn Savannah, Watchwell and Newell, all those areas. So a lot of persons listen to Mutty Perkins, and this is the way you drive to where Mutty Perkins location is. Calaban. Early childhood on your right. Always remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican Vibes Fire Raid. Yes, my people. One love and one heart, you know. So a lot of persons forget them places, yeah. Yeah man, them places that we need to know in Jamaica. Places we need to know and places we need to go. Good morning, mommy. Where I go to Retrieve? Straight ahead? Yeah, man. Thank you very much. Yeah man, so you see it, sometimes we ask some question on the road some of the time because you know Jamaica don't have a lot of signs, so you have to ask some question, you know. Have an idea but just want to make sure. Trust me, here you would see a lot of gungo peas planted in them area. Yeah man, you're supposed to plant the most gungo peas and red peas in St. Elizabeth. No matter where you live in Jamaica, still a nice place, you know. You just have to make yourself comfortable. So on your left you have the Zambia bar. if you is a person who like to do hiking, you can hike. You can have a hiking trip from in Burnt Savannah to Retrieve through the hills and valley of Burnt Savannah Hill, St. Elizabeth. As you can see, the road condition, yeah, you know, a lot of persons are scared for drive them places, but never scared, man, because some of the time you don't know what's gonna happen on the next side of the road. You have to take them journey reach to a destination. Man, them places are green and pretty. So you, if you're a person like farming or anything, like raising an animal, want to be far away from some persons, yeah man, we can come them side here, up in the Retrieve area. The persons abroad migrate for a long time and they want to see them area, so I'm taking the time out showing you what I go on the countryside of Jamaica in a St. Elizabeth. this road can take you all right back to the Park Mountain area. People will keep on watching, you know. Richie, where I go today? So yes, some people, as I said, it's gonna be a little lonely ride, but I don't know, I just the Jamaican vibes. Trust me, my people, but I want to see a nice view. Place nice. trust me, the view is so beautiful. So I'm taking you closer to where you can get a better view of all over into Burnt Savannah, Mountainside, Orange Grove, round in them place there, you know. Yes, boss.
Oh.
So right now we're at the Village Apostolic Faith